Thanks again for joining us here on KXAN News at 4. We were just showing you that gorgeous shot there from the Austonian downtown Austin. What a nice day it really is, but part of the hill country earlier today dipped below freezing, which is really surprising for a lot of people out there. Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is putting this into perspective for us, and normally, Nick, we are not this cold this late into spring.
No, we're not. In fact, Austin hasn't had 30s this late into the spring in more than 10 years. Back in 2014, we had some 30s this late, but it has been a while. These were the low temperatures recorded this morning. Yes, Austin got down to 39. Widespread middle and upper 30s from the metro into our eastern counties. Rockdale even got into the low 30s. But into the hill country, we had way more low 30s. In fact, in a few spots, we got down to freezing in Mason, below freezing in Llano, down to freezing in Marble Falls. So a patchy light freeze was felt this morning in parts of the hill country. The average final night that we drop under 40 degrees in Austin is 3.5 weeks ago, March 13th. So this type of chill here today was later than normal by quite a bit. Although not record cold, we have actually been colder on this date in Austin area history. The latest time we've had lows below 40 comes a little later than now. April 20th in 1924, we had lows in the upper 30s. Same on April 19th and 18th and 17th. These were the fourth latest dates that we've had lows below 40. Today's was the 28th latest time that we've had lows below 40. So nothing particularly remarkable, but certainly by recent times, we have not been this cold this late in quite some time. And that chilly air of the morning has made for a cool afternoon. We're just up to 69 right now from our Kreitz Market camera in Lockhart. Full blue skies and sun. Most of us should just about clip 70 for the high here today. All right, let's talk big picture. What's going to happen next? Well, as we head through the week, high pressure to the southwest of us is going to build in and strengthen. It'll still be situated technically not overhead, but southwest of us and over Mexico here through Thursday. But we'll be feeling more and more of its strength, giving us a warming trend here through Thursday. Cold front, a dry one on Thursday, does knock temperatures down a little bit, but then as the high actually gets closer to us, even if it's a little bit weaker, we will start to warm up again. That's all the way through Monday. So this high is going to be in control and suppressing any rain for at least the next week or more. There's going to be a low approaching Southern California early next week. This, by the middle or end of next week, could give us our next chance for rain, but that's not for another 10 to 14 days. So we're in a new dry stretch now. Clouds and radar shows you the departing clouds of the weekend continue to work eastward out over Louisiana. And as we take you through your Tuesday, clear skies and sun. I'm not even going to stop the maps here. Wednesday, clear skies and sun as well, so not a lot of change coming over the next week. That means your solar forecast full of sunshine too. We'll be in that sunny category all day here tomorrow, filling up those batteries if you have them Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Not a cloud in the sky just about. Overnight tonight, we get down to 43, so it will not be as chilly tonight, but still cool. This is 4 degrees above where we were this morning in Austin here for tomorrow morning. There will still be some 30s in the hill country and our eastern counties. Not expecting any freezes tonight, and we should continue this new warming trend tomorrow with a high of 79. Blue skies and sun again. A light southeasterly breeze there, 5 miles per hour or less. Most of us not getting into the 80s tomorrow. There could be a couple of spots just about there. For the vast majority of us, though, it's mid to upper 70s. Then 80s come in Wednesday, upper 80s to near 90 on Thursday, ahead of that cold front I showed you that only knocks us down a little bit here for Friday. Then we start a new warm-up. We should be up near 90 here by early next week at the latest. There's just a blip of humidity here Wednesday into Thursday, but a sign of humidity trying to rise again over the weekend. And I think we'll actually start to pick up on more muggy air by early next week. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Reasonably quiet, a few breezy days, especially Wednesday, Sunday, and Monday, as the temperatures largely being above normal again, starting as early as tomorrow.